Well, I did it. It's a Spyder F3 Limited Series Special is what it's actually classified as, but there's no special no nameplate on it anywhere. It does have slightly different configurations, like that insert that's on top, up near the tank. It does come with the luggage rack on the back. It's all blacked out in many areas where the red's not, especially up in front by the mirrors and things of that nature. It is, without a doubt, as comfortable, if not more comfortable for me at 6'3", than the Sea to Sky was. But that color is just what made it for me. And then the other thing is that I'll be able to do modifications to it without too much difficulty because of the exposed areas of it. There's the seat showing the special stitching, which equates to virtually the same thing as the Sea to Sky. It does have the same comfort type cushion to it and things of that nature. It is really just the color that sold it to me, and then the U-fit system for the legs and things. That color just, I mean, how do you not love a good colored red? It's just crazy. That is probably the best thing about it. No doubt about it. It's the best thing, and the reason I was able to make such a good deal on it. Dealerships wanted my Sea to Sky, and I wanted this bike, and so we made a deal without too much difficulty. It was pretty cool. But that color just is just gorgeous as far as I'm concerned. I don't generally like red, but this one just popped at me. I like the red better than I do the heather green of the Sea to Sky. Don't get me wrong, I like that color as well. This one just sticks out, and I think it'll add a little bit of safety to it. But like I said, the engine's exposed. It's just really a pretty bike. I mean, and the deal was such I couldn't walk away from it. It was like a Godfather deal. So, you know, it's pretty cool. There it is, Spyder F3 Limited Special Series. Thanks for watching.